Hello friends, in today's video, we will be talking about growing a jasmine plant from cuttings. Friends, all types of jasmine plant cuttings, softwood and hardwood can be successfully propagated. It can be propagated twice a year, first during the rainy season and second during the spring season, with the rainy season being the most favorable. During the rainy season, all types of cuttings, new, old, thin and thick, grow easily. Although all types of cuttings also grow in the spring season, a 100% success rate is achieved only with thick hardwood cuttings. Friends, the jasmine cuttings you take should have at least 3 nodes. We will bury one node in the soil and the remaining 2 nodes will be used for leafy growth. For planting the cuttings, I have used a very small disposable paper cup with a capacity of only 50 to 60 ml. The advantage of using a paper disposable cup for planting the cuttings is that won't generate excessive heat in the soil, preventing the roots from burning. Also, because of the small size of the cup, less soil will be needed, which will prevent excess moisture from being retained. Thirdly, if the soil dries out quickly, it will prevent fungal growth, thus avoiding rotting and decay problems in the cuttings, ensuring a 100% success rate. The soil I have used for planting the jasmine cuttings is neither too loose and sandy nor too clayey. It's just ordinary soil with decent drainage. You don't need any special type of soil for planting cuttings in paper disposable cups. Cuttings can grow in almost all types of soil. Press the cutting about 2 inches into the soil, and to prevent it from moving, fill a tub with sand and embed a disposable glass containing the cutting in the sand. Then water it and place it in a location with partial sunlight and shade. Water only when necessary. Do not water unnecessarily even if the top layer of soil is moist. Friends, I am going to show you a 32-day update where you can see how amazing the roots growth is. The roots have grown through the disposable glass and even extended out of the tub. Friends, in this root update, you can see how many roots have emerged from a single point. For similar rooting updates, simply cut the stem just below the node and bury it in the soil. As I have shown you in this video, you will see similar results with this method. I have used a 6-inch pot for planting the jasmine. The potting mix consists of 60% sandy soil and approximately 40% cow dung manure. If the soil is not loose and well draining, you can add sand to make it so. Now water it and keep it in a place where it does not receive direct sunlight for 2 days. After that, you can place it in full sunlight. In the second update, you can see that new growth has started. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.